Hey guys, welcome back to Code with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload your Android app to the Google Play Store, step by step. If you're an app developer and want your app live on the Play Store, watch till the end because I'll break it down in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Google Play developer account. First, head over to play.google.com/console and log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google Play developer account, you can create one from the same link. It's a one-time fee of $25. You can register as an individual or an organization. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once your account is set up, log in, and we're good to go. Step 2. Make sure your app is ready for release. Before we upload, your app must be fully developed and tested. If you haven't built your app yet, click the link in the description or the top right corner to check out my tutorial on how to create an Android app from your website. Now that your app is ready, let's upload it to Google Play. Step 3. Create a new app in Play Console. In your Google Play Console dashboard, click Create App. Fill in the details: app name, default language, app or game, choose one, free or paid, select your pricing, accept the developer policies. Click Create App. Boom, your app project is now created. But we're not done yet. Let's fill in some important details. Now, we need to set up how your app looks on the Play Store. From your dashboard, go to Publishing Overview. Click Default Store Listing Settings. Fill in these details: app name, short description, max 80 characters, full description, max 4,000 characters, app icon, 512 by 512 px, less than 1 megabytes. Feature graphic, 1024 by 500 px. Promo video, optional, screenshots, different device previews. Click Save. Step 5. Upload AAB file and add testers. On your dashboard, you'll see pending tasks. Click View Tasks, then select Testers. Add an email list of at least 12 testers. Google requires this for testing. If you don't have testers, ask friends or family for their emails and add them. Once you've added testers, save the list and click Create New Release. Now, upload your app file. Choose AAB format, Android App Bundle. Enter a release version number. Add release notes. Click Save and Publish. Step 6. Testing phase and final submission. Google will now send testing links to the emails you provided. All testers must install the app and use it for at least 14 days. After that, you'll get production access. Once you have production access, you can submit the app for final review and publishing. Google reviews your app within 48 hours. If everything is fine, your app goes live. If there's an issue, Google will ask you to fix and resubmit. And that's it. Your app is now on the Google Play Store. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.